Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a link to an Evernote notebook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to evernote.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account to access your dashboard. This will bring you to your main Evernote workspace where you can manage all your notes and notebooks. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see several navigation options there, and you want to click on Notebooks. This section displays all the notebooks you've created and organized within your Evernote account, making it easy to access and manage them all in one place. Once you click on Notebooks, you'll see a complete list of all your notebooks appear on the screen. Take a moment to browse through this list and locate the specific notebook you want to create a link for. It could be your work projects, personal notes, or any other notebook you've set up. Click on your preferred notebook to open it, and this will take you directly to that notebook's contents. After opening your notebook, the simplest way to get the link is to look at the top of your browser where the URL bar is located. The address displayed there is the direct link to your notebook. Simply click on the URL, highlight it, and copy it. You can now share this link with others or save it for quick access later. This method is straightforward and works perfectly when you need to grab the link quickly. Alternatively, there's another way to copy the link if you prefer using Evernote's built-in sharing options. In the upper right corner of your screen, you'll notice a 3 dotted lines icon, which represents the menu button. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing and sharing your notebook. From this menu, select Copy Link. This action will automatically copy the notebook's URL to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it wherever you need without manually selecting the URL from the address bar. And that's it. You now have the link to your Evernote notebook, ready to share with team members, clients, or anyone who needs access to your organized notes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.